runs with Water Bob, BMC, R1B, and
Becca, please.
No guy want be pass last lap will scatter table on top of the brother Naija interview.
No be share.
The guy most of the day alright, they thought they did nice. But for game, we don't say we get small, but it would take una. Then if I don't be take una, Becca would take.
Our matter be like David and Goliath.
Already.
So we are the David, they are the Goliath.
Already.
Anything where concern Bible, I don't trust her like that.
Why na?
David and Goliath with one stone. Anyway, sharp, we get Kiddwaya for the building. We get Prince for the building.
What's up?
Ambassador of Durag in the year. I don't give you that already right now. The leaders does it sharp. Now sharp. For the past weeks, everybody knows say we follow up with Big Brother Naija. Just as I always talk, if they pursue anybody come up for the house, they open our hands to welcome them because we know say they don't get less privilege already. They not get the money when they get. As long as they pursue them, we'll welcome them. Come the house. Kiddwaya dey here. Prince dey here. Welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you so much.
I beg Kiddwaya go fit speak pidgin at all. I don't wait for your pidgin.
I don't speak pidgin.
I dey wait for a pidgin. Don't be swanty.
Try now.
You're gonna try.
Run them.
Okay.
You waiting?
He said we go run now.
Draw close to the mic, man. I dey hear US.
We'll run them. Yes, we'll run them.
Okay, now sharp. We'll go straight to the questions. I'll start with you, Prince. It come to you as shock, saying that you be the next person to discharge command the Big Brother house that last Sunday. How you take am?
I wasn't shocked.
You was in shock.
Pidgin.
Okay, you're not shocked.
Prince, pidgin. I was in shock. I was in shock.
I find it difficult to have a conversation with Pigeon.
No, well, we got problem for this beauty today.
Okay, shock.
It not shock you?
Yeah, shock me say I come out at the time that I.
At
the time where I
carry on, move. Yeah, speak what you want to speak up.
I wasn't shocked when my name was called. If you notice, people that watched the video, if you watched at the time my name was called, I was very calm.
Okay.
I smiled, and I left, and because I felt like I was expecting it. Like
okay, you're not even dressed, Seth.
You know when your spirit is telling you like this is the time, this is when you should, bow out, and I feel like I left at the perfect time, and it was God's plan.
So for you not come and shock you not ready for us that day.
Yeah, I feel like I had accomplished everything that I was supposed to accomplish in the house.
Okay.
You
go ask a kid
the same question. For you, kid.
You're not shocking me at all.
I
don't reason now say that I needed a fear for that place, all those guys.
Okay.
That's why they said kids should go. Because I needed a fear. So that's between them and their God.
You believe they fear you like that?
Yes, now.
Based on your doings, Abi, or waiting?
No, just based on the kind of person I've been. They look at me and said, this guy is the
okay, if you say you get money to win your vote.
That is one side, but the confidence, the way I look, the way even they say I'm stealing their girls. Do you understand?
They come to that side.
They were just scared. Why even go there now?
So their balls shrank.
Wait, which one be balls shrank? I never heard that English
their
before.
balls reduced. Their balls reduced in size.
Okay.
But shout out to them, and they're doing their thing in there.
Okay.
We go see this outside and we know what the level is.
Okay.
You get question?
I get question. We go first start with Erica Mata. You see the connection between you and Erica coming for the first week when you say you spend for inside the Big Brother at all. I ask you, sure you see that connection coming between you and Erica, or some other girl for inside the house, you get the first connection?
No, my first connection was with Erica for sure. When she came in with that white dress, she was wearing one white dress like that.
Okay.
She looked good.
But you know, say the first person maybe say you kiss for that house now, but Tony.
Yeah.
So at a point,
she
you like
me.
say.
She kissed me.
Okay, not you kiss her.
It was that. No, but it was that game. We did the truth or dare game.
Okay.
Right, and I think she picked me.
Okay.
Right, so we kissed. Do you understand? Then when it's my turn, and I picked Erica.
And because at a point, it can't be like, say, well, Tony, they like you.
No.
You notice.
You normal.
So why you not give her eye? Why you not give her a chance?
I didn't want to lead her on.
Okay, they want to lead because you get eye for Erica.
Yeah, no. So.
And because you don't talk to you, they flirtatious in nature. So we don't.
But then because when I know you really like me, you see, when I know you really like me, I don't want to try and lead you on because it's not fair on her heart and her feelings. I don't want to make her feel bad. Do you understand? So I kind of made it a little bit clear that I was moving in a different direction. You get? So
okay.
That's how my head was at that time.
Okay.
More leave Keith, more go back to Prince. Prince, you get waiting Tolani talk because we know say you and Tolani they close to an extent for inside the house. You can't get where she can't be like say the two of them no one work, so I can't give each other space until they can't beat her. She talks say she hopes say you go win the money and you go bring the money come home. And not be hassle. Home. I don't say home means husband and wife. So I want just ask right now, me just set things straight. I be like so not already meet since we come on the house, Abi. So any future plans on top relationship with Tolani Bash?
The thing we say like right now, we never really, settle anything will happen like while we were in the house. Everybody say like when she left, you get some things will been come up, and I'm not gonna deny say I like Tolani. You understand?
Like you mean you really like him?
I mean, yeah.
But we see say you hold back for the house to express your likeness, and she will come feel like say, man.
But that's the thing. Not be everybody get the same kind of way of to the show their emotions. You get like some people are more some people they're more expressive than some other people. So I feel say me, I'm like the more reserved kind of people. I be shy person. You get so. You get some things where people they feel comfortable to do. Where me, I know they comfortable to do.
Especially for reality TV show.
Not reality TV show because plenty times I forget say the cameras were there.
Okay.
Do you get so? It's just there are people in the room just the way we did like this now. You get the kinds of way I know go fit do. No be say I know fit do but I did shy. So,
apart from shy, you also talk something for the house. Say you don't want to do something when be say your papa, mama, your family members they proud of. Now make you know actually they do.
Of course, nah, I'm not gonna do something that I wouldn't do. My parents not gonna they proud of. I wouldn't want to do it because that's the way they raised me. Now how they raise me, you understand?
So
you know if you shame your family, it's not possible.
So last now, if opportunity day for you and Tolani Bash to run things continuously, it go be.
We'll see how it goes.
But sorry to cut you short. At a point, we like saying neg you like at first. So you feel say as if
everybody
say
like neg.
Wait now. Kiddwaya talk say get that kind feelings towards neg.
He not go lie for you.
But now waiting he talk with that now.
That's the truth now.
That's the truth. All right, Prince. I want to ask you. Assuming say neg give you chance at that time. You feel say you don't go even look Tolani inside at all.
It's in say as when we came into the house, me I go inside the house, I don't carry on for mind that I was going to pursue any babe.
Okay.
Do you understand? It gets reason why I come there, no be babe carry me go there. So as I enter the house, I see get babe with the feel me. Me too at the feeler. You understand? But then me, I know be the kind of person where once I see babe and I know say we go there for a while, I go just run into the kind of relationship like that. You guys want to get to know the kind of person the person is, whether both of them you reason the same way. And while that was happening, I was trying to get to know her. You can't see get some other people too where you kind of like. You can't see they too like you as well. So me, the best thing I do for that kind of situation is to make all of us be friends. Let me see who and who where I match pass with. But then it turned out that can't work between me and her, and it be like say this other person go work. So I mean it's no problem. We don't get any bad blood. We're still good. I like him as a friend, as a person. Move on from there.
Now sharp. Now because I get plans to go back to Kiddwaya, but something just come up. Wait till really make you cut chain for Lucy before a week before that Lucy actually come, or a few days before Lucy come. Wait till you can't be like say you
don't get her for mine before
Lucy for mine because you never cut chain like that for the house before. The next thing no, not be you start quarreling and you want to finish her.
It didn't be say it just like when a brother and a sister both of them are there for house, you understand? You take this person as your sister, this person take you as her brother, and you get some things where you don't tell the person over and over about the way the person acts, and it seems as if like for 8 weeks, I mean for 7 weeks now the same matter we talk over and over and over. If you say now the brother, you get points where you say you vex, you understand? Because it be like say you're not understanding that I'm trying to help you. And that point that day, it looks as if I was being biased for your case. If
Yeah,
na big brother arrange,
say you be two-faced.
if na
I
big,
think Lucy talk and Erica can say talk and say you be two-faced. You believe say you be two-faced?
nah, I'm a very straightforward person. If I don't like you, I will
You're
tell
correct.
you I don't like what you're doing. You understand? And I could distance myself from you.
Okay.
You understand? If I like you, I'll come close to you. Everybody notices that there are some people that way I not really day close to in the house.
Yeah.
And there are some people that they really close to. And that's the way I am. I not go one because say I feel some kind of way, I no go tell you I'll come there later. I come find out say I no really be your guy. Everybody where I did down with in the house knew that I was down with, with them. You understand? And I will call you my brother. And so I did.
Okay. Now sharp Kiddwaya. I'm not gonna lie, you and Erica now one of the major force for the house. We went there outside, we see plenty things. We see many insinuations, you understand? Many saying now so it happen, now so it be, now so the thing take cast, you understand? All of us can see weakness, say along the line, she can't be disqualified based on her action for the house, you understand? Which we see notice say you did bad and you feel bad in pattern. You understand? Now when you don't come outside, you don't communicate with Erica since then, and my first question. Then secondly, we know soon I get plenty romantic session together from the head of her launch to the normal areas and everywhere. Una they plan to continue that same arrangement now when you don't come outside. That's two. I want me to answer that straight. Then three. Now blogs all they carry around say your real girlfriend before you enter the house. Don't take back the position. Say video good day when you kiss her, they get poster for Snapchat. So I want to ask right now, you they try because we know say you they flirtatious in nature. You dey plan manage the two or you want give one chance to
or you go see, you know, take plenty.
I need to see the video of me kissing this girl.
I did blog now.
No, let me see it. I need to see the video.
We gonna show you after.
No, if I answer my first question, may I look for the
Okay, what's the first one again? What's the first one again?
What will be your take on top Erica disqualification first of all?
No, that one paid me because that's not how I wanted the story to end. Okay, so I always thought that she should go into the final. She do very well. The way she left, that's not the kind of girl she is, you understand? It's like she's not the kind of girl that will be saying all this kind of thing on TV and to somebody. Lovette now is my friend.
Lovette, just your friend.
And
kiss. Now they okay, friends they kiss.
Peg be that now.
I said not peck.
Well, you know there are two types of peck.
That one I know more.
No, not peck my girl. No.
That one I know.
Not peck my girl. Now so it start. Now so it not peck my girl. I beg.
Wait. Who be
So not be your girlfriend with this.
Who be your girl first? Wait. Who be your girl?
Kiddwaya, see what she dey do.
I need to know. He's a married man, so
I get that money for this one.
I don't want that would be girl.
You're taking.
Okay, so who be this girl actually? When you mean your friend?
I don't know, a friend. We go club together. We hang out together. Like she's my friend. I've got a lot of girl friends, like girls.
Okay, this girl different from your manager. We know that one.
Yeah, my manager's right there.
Okay, now you.
Manager.
So okay, may I ask the last question right now? So waiting be next for you and Erica. So many people they look towards for something to happen between the two of you now.
First of all, you see, what's next for me? I can only speak for myself. I cannot speak for somebody else. What next for me is I want to take over the world. You understand?
Don't escape my question.
No, I will come back to that one.
No, we'll come back to your own at the last one.
Okay, fine. Right, see, with me and Erica, like I said before, I have a lot of respect for her, a lot of love and admiration for her, and I want to see her do well. Do you understand? I've always said that I'm not sure a full-on relationship is good for her or good for me. We shouldn't put any title on anything. We just see how things go. Don't let anybody force you into something that you're not fully committed into. It's as simple as that. I will not come here and say that, yes, we're going to get married or we're going to get this, because that's not the truth. Do you understand? We're going to see how things develop and see how things go. Take it easy in our own steps. You understand? That's how it
but I don't communicate.
Yeah, no,
don't talk.
Of course, I had to check.
Because even your papa arranged wedding.
Now waiting, I want to.
Your father arranged when they say one go to Nigeria and where?
It's Italy. And before that, I want to ask her because now when we say don't come out, you don't see say if papa actually grant interview. Yes, you feel say the interview where we say your papa grant they are among the things where we say he make you quickly come out from the house. Because some people they talk on top Twitter say now that interview where they say kid papa do now he make
because even your papa even share money.
He don't share money. He say if you win the 85 million, so you go give half of that money to Erica. So indeed you go give that money half to Erica. Assuming say you win.
No, that money was going straight to charity.
So you're not gonna give Erica.
So your
No, that one different now. But that money that I was gonna win was going straight to my foundation.
Oh.
I gotta help the people first.
Okay.
What my dad said, my dad now, I can't really go against his word now. But do you
Fuck.
understand? Who I be? Who I be?
Ambassador.
Who I be now? So I have to be careful what I say. But
Okay.
my dad did that from a place of love and real genuine care for me and her. So let's just leave that one there.
So you don't think saying that himself you make you come out, have you?
No, that one is God now. That one's fate.
Okay.
For me, I decided that at that point, God said, my son, you're not
Time
supposed
to
to
I
go.
be
Your
like
time
say
is
Kiddwaya
done.
go become pastor in the
Then
future.
he has other things planned for me. There's certain people who are supposed to win. God has a plan for everybody. I felt like at that time was me and my boy were supposed to go.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Osam Jara, you want to throw in one question?
Yeah.
I
For all those. Hi guys, and well done. Congrats for the matter.
Thank you.
Yes, the king of Durak. That was a small thing, because you cause problem for the town. Everybody they watch, so everybody go begin to buy Durak like say tomorrow. No. Man, we look at
Durak
like say what they want to do
guy.
the end of after the grand finale party. Now Durak party will call them all the four for the baddest guys. But anyway, I not go lie. I would like to say kudos to you. My guy Prince, while I talk so because of the fact, say I watch all your acting arrangement from inside the show. You are a very, very good actor. Question now, say, what will be your plan? Seriously, because more leave the big brother now, one that come out or that don't come out. What will be your plan where you want to face the acting industry? You want to do local as well, Nollywood, I be one plan make you just jet out to do maybe Hollywood style.
My plan for acting be say me I'm a person where they like we will grow the things we will get.
Okay.
So I feel like why don't we connect Hollywood to Nollywood? You understand? We can do that. I see the kind of movies where they make with the very little budgets we will get for Naija. You understand? So, but now I feel we can go international. Let's bring Hollywood to Nollywood. Maybe they get movies where we say Nollywood actors we act for Hollywood, and we do movies where Hollywood actors we act for Naija. So all those kinds of things, maybe we'll bring the synergy. You know, the diaspora connects with the local, and we can make magic.
Nice one. And of course, I won't go down to Kid. Kid, how you doing now? You look like a papa where you're past small. I see the picture, not be small, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
fine ball,
thank
fresh.
you.
The place that they know you.
Awesome!
The question I want to ask you now, Kid, be say just about a few days ago when we don't hide. When I say we, as soon as they hide for inside there, we they hide for house, so come up play. So when you hide, you bust out during the party. You can't say okay. You call V, you call Lakon, you call Tricky T, and you can't mention what you say, but you want to run some kind of things based on say you want to put three of them for inside the music.
Yeah.
Now, shall you they talk that matter or you really mean that for your mind? Because everybody as you talk that in the whole world key into say, Bob, it go mad oh.
You know what? Yeah. First of all, with those three, I think will be dope. You understand? So I meant what I said.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. But I want them to come out first because I'm starting to learn new things as I'm watching the show now. I'm starting to hear,
As you come outside.
you understand? I'm starting to hear my name be mentioned in ways that. I'm
So
not
hold
sure
on.
right.
You dey try to say those names when not they mentioned during the show, even when you did inside, and after you don't come out right now, you go dictate your relationship with them.
I don't mix business
After
and
they come
personal
outside.
together, but I'm saying now that I'm outside, I'm seeing some people in a different way.
Okay.
So that I can't deny the talent of those three. I'll do something with those three, but I'm gonna wait until they come out first when we sit down.
Kiddwaya, I want to ask you this last question right now. Towards the end of the show, before you come on, we notice your relationship with Lakon come tight more.
Yeah, like
That's after
romance.
Erica come on. Now when you talk this thing, you dey see that same relationship in a different light right now, based on what you say you don't hear, say they don't measure your name up and down.
A little bit.
But
It is not. I still respect it.
So what be that thing when you don't hear, when you don't really do okay? When you
Even
just
now,
say
I
you
see
come
him
talk.
before I even enter this room. So
You see, nah.
you go see him for Twitter now. You guys, you will see it now.
So
I
Lakon
don't
talk
want
something about you.
that one. You will see now.
Tell us before I go to that. Don't stress me.
I don't want to mention anyone's name. I feel like now I'm mentioning the name they're growing themselves. You can't be using me to catch their own clout. So I'm not going to mention anybody else's made name.
Yeah.
Let them find their own way and do their own thing. Because
Wow.
me that's mentioning their name too much, they're growing like this. So everybody did their side. I did my own side. Magic did his own side. So that's how.
Okay. 3 Saturdays, it can be 2 Saturdays ago before. I think 3 Saturdays. A girl with happen when we say. I think you and 2 other guys inside the house catch Negi and Kiddwaya inside bedroom. Say they help Negi zip up. What actually happen? What be that event when it happen? Kiddwaya, if you're clear, because a lot of people say would I go run sharp things. You get it.
Honestly, that was a coincidence. Like I think that time I actually went to the toilet and she was there, and then she must have asked me to do a zip. Because I've been asked this question a few times, but
Yeah.
I didn't even remember it.
Now we dey run normal.
I didn't even
Okay,
remember.
now they run people zip up.
No more now.
Normal level
Prince,
now.
no, Prince, go back. I want to go back to Prince. How many people zip he does zip up? Yeah.
No, normal level. You feel us the pass. Person go say, oh,
Help me zip, guys.
help me zip. You
We
run the
gentlemen now. How we
zip.
not-
Gentlemen,
how we not
John,
fit
you run
A
the zip
gentleman.
and move on.
Yes,
No
now.
be nothing much.
Prince, you zip. How many guys you zip up for that place?
Maybe all of them.
How many?
Eh?
How many?
Now just zip, my brother.
How many people zip you don't zip up?
I don't know.
Totally day.
Now
Of
just
course,
zip.
now number one.
But neck you not change.
No, we zip them clothes.
They say we zip.
Even for that darling, this thing now.
for- now we
them
dress
And
am.
Task, we don't do them now.
We don't do them. As everybody run around, you zip clothes, you move on.
We like to ask that question.
Okay, let's go. You want to ask a question? Sharp.
Okay, I will ask both Prince and Kiddwaya. I'll start with Prince. You be my fave, one kind.
Oh, thank
And
you.
inside the aspect of hair, where that passion for hair start from?
I learned how to make hair in 2012. I worked for salon for a year. That was when I was just at home doing nothing. You understand? I still defined admission that time, so I was working in the salon for 1 year. I know the person where they like sit down one place. I know they do anything. So I did learn new stuff a lot. There's a lot of stuff that I know how to do, what I never even show. Do you understand? I know my sister at one time they teach me how to do makeup. So you get plenty of things that I know how to do. So and after that 2012, I know use them up until as we enter the house, they can't tell us that we go to make our hair. I'm like, what are the odds, you know?
Opportunities.
So I've been just they do them as fun because from the first time, the first 2 weeks, the way the tax was supposed to be, the guys were not supposed to get anything. So we've been just they do them as, let me just cut their hair and do this because nobody can help. You understand? That was just it.
Okay.
Okay, for
Kiddwaya.
Kiddwaya. Now my fave, my star girl.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Erica's
you.
fan.
Fan.
No,
They call me
Now
Erica.
people like this, I go look for you.
If you see the way she dey cry.
No.
Erica's
I
mommy.
like everything where you talk. Okay, you dey good. May nobody push you into something at the moment. But what thing I want hammer on now, your passion for cooking. I like guys where they cook. I no lie. So how your own starts? Because somebody will expect say as rich man.
As
pikin,
rich man
Pikin,
picking.
yeah.
you no go even lift anything, but you can't become the chef of the house. So how it takes start for you?
That one was based on watching different powerful women cook in the kitchen. For my mother, for my aunties, for my sisters. Just
And your
watching,
friends too.
and my friends. Just watching all those guys and ladies cook. I'm picking up different things. I'm watching normal cooking shows. And I'm also adding my own knowledge of basic ingredients. Like what tomato goes with onions and ginger. I think once you form a very basic understanding of ingredients, you're able to just freestyle like that. So a lot of it was freestyling, but I knew what flavors taste like and I knew what people liked. Do you understand? It's a bit like art. Do you understand? You know how to mix colors, you know how to do shit. So for me, cooking has always been a passion first and foremost.
Okay.
So that's where it came from, just watching people cook and watching shows. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, last question. I be no one ask him, I go ask him. Waiting, now your connection with Erica, they very, very genuine. Personally, I feel very, very sincere. Waiting be that one thing where, first of all, attract you to her.
Oh, her sexiness. She's so confident in her own body.
Okay.
You understand? Like the way she just wears her clothes, the way she carries herself. She's definitely the most confident girl in that house by far.
Oh, wow.
Erica can wear something, to some people it will look like she's overdoing it, but the way she'll wear it, it'll make you believe that it just makes sense. So I love her confidence.
Now she they wear the clothes, not be the clothes they wear them.
There you go. So that's what I love about her, yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right, so maybe enter the next question.
Yeah,
now.
sure.
Which of the Betway Arena games be your favorite?
Yeah.
Reach the final, we are for winner or Naija go winner because I feel like saying that both of us were either like first and second. First and second.
Because we notice anytime you don't really do well for the Bet Arena games, your whole day they be like say, man, I don't error. You just day down. First of all, you try go room, go they think about your life first of all.
No. I know say that's in that one floor where I know say I get and they try to work on them. So I did like to win something. I like
Get that
to
winning
stuff.
spirit.
Yeah, just for the fun of say I win. Nothing too serious. You get. So when I lose and I put so much effort and I lose, I just feel down for a minute. Then after that, you don't be forget and continue to play.
All right. The next question is talk say one Betway predict and win campaign. They go on right now where Big Brother fan Naija get to win some cool cash for predicting the winner of the weekly arena game. So they talk saying the spirit of that campaign. Say maybe ask you say who you predict say will be the winner of the Big Brother Nigeria House season 5.
For me, I get like two
And tell us
people in
why.
mind. You understand? First of all, Dora, because I told her. I mean, we always told each other.
Come, what's up with this thing?
My dear.
I need to know.
You know, that was a way both of us used the catch cruise.
Okay.
Dora always like had a way of cheering me up. We have fun and all of that. So they always tell each other that if I don't win, I want you to win. Because I remember there was a time she came to me and she said, if I leave this house before you, promise me say you will win. Me, I tell her, say me, I no go go.
Nah.
you no go, now me go.
Nice
and now you go win. So then obviously I wanted her to win. Then if it wasn't me, when we came out of the house, you know, I was like, okay, if I don't win, I want either her or Lakon to win. And from the dynamics, I just got my phone yesterday now.
So
saying that it looks like Lakon to win.
Looks like Kiddwaya, what about you? Same question. Who if you say go win?
Yeah, see, I'm not gonna answer no more questions about people in the house no more. Whoever's gonna win is
Kiddwaya,
I'm not answering no more questions
calm
about
down.
people in the
Not
house.
gonna like you. I think waiting you don't see so fast is come on for the house, just shape your mentality, don't they give you different perspective on your relationship when you get with the housemate before. Because for you to avoid this question right now, be like say, you know why even they connect with everybody for that house, anybody for that house again.
No, that's not the case. The case for me now, is I've answered these questions so many times and I feel like I'm repeating myself.
No, now the first time you talk here. So you talk. Kiddwaya, who you feel say go win the people that Naija?
What Mazi said. The same one that he said.
Wait till you talk again. I don't remember. Kiddwaya repeat am.
People don't hear him.
People don't hear him.
I think between Dora and Lincoln.
Okay.
That's it.
Dora and
That's
Lincoln.
those two. Dora, she's a great girl, so we'll see.
I hope you don't get problem with Lakon.
We'll see.
On the serious
No, I don't have problem.
all of us really happy say man the connection
Between you guys.
between you guys for the past 2 weeks it really did nice. You get one out there but you say make it shake, go say you dress
You know what
up,
it is,
you
yeah. I
dress
don't have a
up.
problem with anybody, but I cannot be using my name to be always constantly saying other people's name. I have not even left the house yet.
So I will go straight right now. You dey verse on top wetin Lakon talk for the night when Erika dey drunk, when Lakon tell Erika say I don't want Kiddwaya to sleep with you. Please watch over Kid. You don't watch the video. Hope say not be that one dey trigger your best.
God. I was never angry between them.
You take any offense. But you don't hear that when you dey the house.
Never,
You hear that when you dey the house. No, now when you come outside you hear am.
I don't even hear that one, Seth. Well, I don't hear that one.
So which one you hear when they shape your perspective right now?
No, I don't want to talk about that one. That one you guys will find out now and then.
Keep the verse.
I don't know vex like that,
Keep-
but I'm
You
gonna
See,
No,
I don't like
let
you.
me
The reason why all of us fall in love with
let me
you
tell you the
inside
truth.
the house.
No, this is the truth here. It's not like I'm vexing. I'm just talking too much about the same two people or the same three people all the time.
I get.
And I don't want to keep mentioning.
But you know if
their
you
names.
avoid that, nights have you be this. You got tall.
No, of course not. I was talking about, but there's a way you can answer better questions on those housemates.
When not concern those people.
No, not like it's always directly on them. Like I've already said who I think will win. I already said Lincoln or Dora.
Okay.
That's it now.
Okay. Now sharp because we know say the big brother. Yes, the road don't end for now, but our journey just a kickstart right now.
Thank you.
So Kiddwaya, what be your plans right now? What you want get involved with, and what you want get involved with you?
I'm not gonna lie, you get plenty of offers on the table.
Okay.
I just done a great job. Like we have a lot of things on the table. For me, I need to find my spiritual journey, get closer to God.
Okay.
And religion, because that's what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need Him a lot more than before. You understand? So before I do anything, I wanna find out my spiritual journey and connection again.
Okay.
Get back into the gym to get mentally.
I know you talk that one. Yeah.
100%. And then after that is done, we'll now sit down with my team and see everything on the table and then plan accordingly. But you'll definitely be seeing a lot of me, 100%. Like it's gonna be a very, very busy.
Like if you give us hint, like Prince out say at least movie right now, and go
Okay,
to
yeah,
better,
so-
like movie or music.
Yeah, so 100%.
Making too.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. No, they definitely movies. That one's
Movies, okay.
I'll go to movies.
But we noticed along the line you actually fall in love with the music, but not just the music, but the music business. We say maybe Kiddwaya record label they come out very soon.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I planned that way before, some years ago. But I got busy with other things. Definitely, I want to go into music. That's why I have one kind of way with V, the Tricky, and they come because they're all musical artists, and I want to work with them. So I have a lot of musical friends. So definitely, I want to go into music.
I think DJ Kupi are your best friend too, right?
Yeah, we're not really close.
Okay.
So definitely music. I'll enter that industry like that, but I think I'll be patient with it first. I don't want to rush it.
Step by step.
Yeah, step by step. But that one day.
Okay. So Prince, for you now, the same question. Waiting day next for you, Prince.
More you get plenty of things that that I was looking forward to where I planned even before I go into the house. You understand? And you guys should be expecting a lot from me. You know, I don't need to enumerate all the things where I want to do. Yeah, but I get somewhere I don't talk. You know, like movie acting, the whole salon business, agriculture.
We cannot wait to patronize your salon.
You don't get clients already.
The whole salon business. Fashion. I already had like a fashion business before I even entered.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, so get plenty other things.
So we they look forward to Prince Durak.
Switch them up, Seth. If you switch them up, you go do Durag 2.0.
Oh goodness! I wait for her. I get dread about the time. No worry. Okay, now sharp.
Last words for Big Brother. Last word for your fans. Wait out there.
Before then, we not get plans to settle. Do not be smart.
No, they don't want. No,
I'm a married man with twins. One shot.
They don't want to marriage now.
No, serious. Kiddwaya. At all. Your papa married before they born you. You supposed to marry before you born.
No, see, for me, marriage is not in the plans now.
Wow.
Yeah, marriage is not in the plans because I feel like marriage can actually affect a lot of your life. In fact,
No.
First of all, you have to be ready to marry.
Okay.
Mentally.
You're never ready?
I'm already now. I'm already. You have to be mentally ready because that when you're ready, it means you're giving a lot of your time to that special lady. You understand?
Yeah.
If you can't do that, don't bring her into marriage.
So you never ready give time to one special lady. Now
I'm already. See, if I was ready, then I'll give you all my heart. I cannot bring you into something and lie to you that say I'm ready when I'm not ready. That's not fair on
the person. Yeah.
Don't do that, Sky. You understand?
So right now, I'm married and I don't know.
Out of it.
No, and I cannot rush that process. That's a very special.
Say 1 million babes they happy for what you just talk to. Because you don't look at least 1 month will be my own share. The other one will be your own share. So please, what about you?
Nah. I mean, just like my brother Kid talking, you know, marriage no be something where you could just rush into like that. And especially a very wise person once told me that, you know, it takes a lot to raise kids.
Yeah.
You're not just giving birth to children. You're not just procreating. You understand? You're bringing a human being into the world, and you don't want to be unprepared to do that. So you need to have a lot planned out. Everything has to be set. You know, mentally, physically, financially.
Especially. But now don't settle financially. Now before you know that they'll dash you can know they're not fit dash Kiddwaya account because you go dash people.
Go dash me your dash me.
My brother Dan go take the fine money.
Not be no, but Kiddwaya, you look for money again.
See, my own dad's money is different to my money, or like, I'm still trying to find my own way as well. Like my dad is different to me. I don't want to be too associated with his own finances because then it will always be like that. So I'm trying to find my own humble way.
I love that.
Yeah. So definitely. Now later on in life.
You will call later on in life. 10 years
on.
from now, be 20 years from now.
Una go see now.
I don't tell you. As I sit there, I don't tell you they know they're ready.
These two men, I want one single ladies when they hear their voice right now. If you are planning to get involved with them, just know say your time will pass 2 months because another person they wait. Okay, anyway, sharp. Because a lot of people love Una doings inside the house, from Kiddwaya to Prince. So let me give them more like a appreciation message, also encouragement message, advice to your fans. May they continue to also follow now. Then share your social media handles too. Very, very important too.
And tell them last word for Betway plus Big Brother.
Yeah, last word for Betway plus Big
Brother. So Big Brother, thank you very much for everything we do for me inside the house, for the opportunity we provide for us to get into that house. It was amazing. I lived a dream that I had 9 years ago in 2011 that I was going to be in that house, you know, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. Betway, thank you, man, you know, for the sponsorship and everything. Then to the Royal Army, man, for me, someone that always felt say people no go too like me like that. Then I come out right from the security people where they just outside, you know, the studio.
The love man.
The love man gone. Everybody they hail me. You know, it felt special. And I come out and I see my siblings. They debrief me. Oh more, if you see waiting happen, you know. So shout out to my brother.
I don't want
My
that.
brother, my sister, Princess, my family members, my dad, my mom, they had my back, my entire extended family, my village, ABA land, they were amazing. And the Royal Army, man, those guys blew my mind. You know, say this is the time when the world is suffering, people know they make as much money. And then for strangers to sit in their house, want their money and vote for you, they really love you and support you and they want to see you do well. And I promise and I say I'm going to be here for a very, very long time and I'll be making them proud.
Your social media handle, sharp.
My social media handle on Facebook is Prince Nelson and Warren. On Instagram is Prince Nelson and Warren. On Twitter is Prince N and Warren.
Okay. So over to you, Kiddwaya, sharp.
Firstly and foremost, shout out to the Way of Them gang. I love you guys, man. Like, got a lot of stuff in the works for you guys. Got a lot of plans, so you will be seeing some things very soon. You guys keep hustling, man. Keep giving the love. I will give you that love back, man. I love your energy. Secondly, of course, I can't give enough thanks to Big Brother. You understand? I spoke with the producers and the people involved in the show, and I told them directly, you guys are amazing. You changed all of our lives. So again, thank you very much. I can't give enough thanks. That one just did. Betway was, they came in with the money. They came in with the whole merch. You know, they really made the show what it is. Again, I can't thank them enough. For me now, it's more less words, more action. So that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna be a very interesting year for all the housemates that come out. I believe everybody will do well on their journey, and I'll be there to help them through their journey. No more stuff, man. But trust me, look out for us, man. It's gonna be very exciting, you know, and I'm very, very excited to share with you our journey. So I love you guys, all of you.
Okay, your social media handle.
On social media, so Instagram is Kiddwaya, Snapchat is Kiddwaya, and Twitter is the real Kiddwaya.
The real Kiddwaya.
The real Kiddwaya.
Lagos babes just get you. They don't add you now. Like what add you? No. They didn't add DM.
Thank you guys so much, man.
Okay, so sharp. What's been on a favorite song? Kiddwaya, you must learn to dance today. We will teach you. Which song was your favorite?
The one where they for inside the house. What are they?
Play. Yeah.
Who sing that one?
Burna
Burna,
shout out to you. Your album is crazy.
twice as tall.
Twice as tall.
Okay.